Hi everyone, we're going to verify the identity that A sine of B theta plus B cosine of B theta equals the square root of A squared plus B squared sine of B theta plus C. And we also have C equals inverse tan of B over A, and A is positive. So the thing you need to know is we're going to use the sum formula or identity for sine. So just remember that the formula for sine, the double angle, equals sine alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sine beta. Remember, you don't distribute that, so we are going to use the sum formula for that. Alright, so here we go. Here's our problem, and we need to verify this. And we're given that C equals tan inverse tan of B over A. So we know that tan of C, if I rewrite this, is B divided by A. And you know tan is really your Y over your X. So to get our radius, we know that sine of C, therefore, would be sine is usually your Y over R, and cosine of your angle is X over R. So what we need to know is R. And we know that R squared equals, in this case, it's going to be A squared plus B squared. Therefore, R equals the square root of A squared plus B squared. Alright, so now we know that in our case, our sine of C equals our Y, which our Y is B, divided by our R, which is square root of A squared plus B squared. And our cosine is our X. Our X in this case is A, divided by your radius. Our radius is square root of A squared plus B squared. Now, we're simply going to plug it in, and I'm going to look at this right here and write it down. So we have square root of A squared plus B squared sine of B theta plus C. Now, I'm going to use my sum and difference formula. This case will be just sum formula. So this is going to equal, I'm going to carry this out, A squared plus B squared. Now, this is like your alpha plus beta, so write that out. So we're going to have sine of beta times theta times cosine of C plus cosine of beta theta times sine of C. Alright, now let's fill all that in if I can squeeze it in here. So we have sine of beta theta times theta. Cosine of C now is here. So I'm going to write that down. A divided by square root of A squared plus B squared. Plus, copy cosine beta times theta down, times your C, and your C is really beta divided by square root of A squared plus B squared. Now, on the next slide, I'm merely going, this is over 1 if you want to, divide it by 1. I'm merely going to simplify this middle part here. So the middle part's going to be square root of A squared plus B squared. And I'm just going to write A, put the A in front, sine of B times theta divided by my denominator, plus, I'm just multiplying my numerators now, alright, so as you can see, this is going to cancel out, but I'll write it again. So the denominator is a squared plus b squared. And we still in the numerator have this. So what happens is these two cancel, and we're left with our identity here. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.